it's cooking time here in Newport, the residence of Honey Buday.
Buday.
And Hailey Buday. We're having fun here. Let's see it. Come on.
Yeah.
Because
Mikas si Honey.
Mikas. Yay.
Summertime in the UK.
Yeah.
Yeah, mikas pansit. Pansit-pansitan. Diempo. Kainan time.
Yeah.
Honey.
Yeah, this
Twins,
special for,
guys.
What is called it? Taiwan?
Taiwan.
Taiwan.
From made in China.
No, this is from Taiwan for Tita Dali. Special.
Taiwan.
Taiwan.
Made in
Taiwan.
China.
Made in
Yeah.
Oh, Tita.
Enjoy your food, guys. It's free. Eat all you can. Okay? Don't be shy. Take as much as you can. It's all free. Purchasing honey.
Yeah. Mikos
Alright, Mekos, money.
Organizado din yun.
Yeah, Mekos.
Nasagda ko lang mo yun.
Oh, Mekos. Oh.
Mikos si Honey.
That's my sister, Sexy. Mekos Tom. Mekos.
Mikos.
There you go. There, that's it. Kasi Dali Buday.
This is
Spring
rolls, no, banana spring rolls with
banana spring roll.
banana spring rolls. Ay, ambot Usato na gani.
Turon.
Turon
Turon na. Turon.
Turon.
Ay, my sister, still young.
I'm so sexy,
She's
girl.
18 years old, still available.
Mikos si Honey.
May Mekos siya, may
Kusino lang
may
ganyan.
farmer pa nagkagusto sa kanya, Ay. This one is still available. Looking for, like,
Yes.
Mikos.
Mikos.
Out dira sa tagapanitaan sa mga Buday, ari ako diri sa aton nga kapamilya sa Newport. Mga Buday family dira. Siyempre, Alayon and Simon. See you!